What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And we are live. Don't forget to smash that like button. We're trying to get 200 likes in here so we can open that live chat. Got 15 minutes before the open. Just going to let a few more people get in here before we start moving around. Again, thanks for coming out to the live stream. Yeah, SNTI. Currently got 107 people watching, guys. Just know we should have that 200 before open. Easy peasy. But we got a post market earnings here. An OPTT, Ocean Power Tech. We're gonna keep our eyes out on this for the day. But I think we may see a retracement at open here. For OPTT, let's get a 5% value there. Let's check out where and this was an easy play for us here. Just 150 likes away from opening up that live chat, guys, which should be easy for the MEM fam. We're gonna keep our eyes out on PDYN. Check out ACHR here. Okay. Broke that 10 early today, but it's going to be very interesting how the market reacts to the opening share price here for sure. Yo, KULR. I got you. Check out GRR here really quickly. Let me get, we want pre-market here. I think this thing may see a slight run here back towards those $7.30 levels here throughout the trading day. Should we retrace though? This thing could be headed back towards those 580s quickly right at the open. So keep your eyes out on that price action. If it does drift to the south, it can get pretty rocky quickly with that market cap. Anytime, Kumar. You still think DXYZ is going to? Yeah. I'm confident in DXYZ. Heavily confident in DXYZ. DXYZ. I got a $70 price target on DXYZ for those that want, that's concerned. You guys, don't forget to smash that like button. Get this thing to 200 likes so we can open up that live chat. I know a lot of you guys want to ask me a few tickers here during the live stream. But yeah, DXYZ is still fine. SNTI, though, this thing is seeing huge bids come in just off of today's news. So I think this thing may see a rocket here right at the open. I think we may see $7 here quickly in SNTI. Just off that bid volume is extremely high, and it's only growing with more momentum. 70 by win on DXYZ. 70 by the end of this month. I do see a few strides on that taking place here pretty soon. Yeah, 10 minutes before the open. Let's pit. $10% on this. Save. Anybody currently holding this thing? 77 likes. We're getting closer towards that goal, guys. 200 likes gets the live chat open for everyone. And just know, each like we get closer urges the next person to hit the like button. So keep it up, guys. Keep it up. We only got 9 minutes before the open. And then E. $85. Intel. Shout out to Mike. Knew you was gonna be here. How's PRZO looking? I got you, Nick. We're gonna check out PRZO after this. We well above that upper right. Now looking for this thing to actually cross 25.67 and then be faced with massive resistance after that. Yeah, I'm looking for that 26. Intel, let's put a bail on it. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my eyes out on Intel for the day. PRZO, how's it looking? Right now, our active buy on PRZO is huge. No, well, from yesterday it was huge. It's huge right now as well. 2.32 million in favor in that active buy, man. I think this thing is gonna run here at the open. It's a wide gap in between the two, so should see a volatile move to the upside for sure. What is 205 yesterday on the volume? KULR. Try to make a recovery across that mid Bollinger Band. If it does cross that here before open, we should be breaking that 196 here throughout the day. End of the week for KULR. I think we're gonna see some downwards pressure here pretty soon for KULR, man. Sometime this week. I think we may see our high though on KULR tomorrow, maybe, before we start seeing major retracement. But we got to see this thing actually hold above that $1.62 for the open, man. I think it should happen more likely than not. Riot. Got you, Mike. Feeling pretty slight bearish here on Riot. I think it's going to hit sub 12 here today, back towards those $11.70 levels. I'm not liking what I see here currently in Riot. I think we're going to retrace back. I think we're going to challenge that mid here today on the dip for Riot. Any other questions? Welcome to the early seat, Haas. Shout out to Haas for joining the YouTube membership. Steam Twits, thanks, man, for the super chat. Really do appreciate that. It really does show the appreciation that you guys have for the live stream. So again, shout out to Stream Twits for that super chat. First super chat on live, guys, for today. Red Band's worst moments. Can you look at INBS? Sure can. INBS. Very low tick. Very low tick. Yeah. Volume is a little bit too low to come off with an accurate analysis, honestly. Because all it's going to take is adequate volume to move this thing in either direction, depending on what side of the fence it's favoring. But yeah, it's extremely low. So it's really, can't really do much off the 3, 5, nor the 15. So Steam Twitch, CABI. I didn't add one for the first time. Kaba. Again, shout out. Thanks for the super chat. We got SMCI thoughts. We're going to take a brief look at that after we look at CABA. Guys, we're 105 likes away from opening up that live chat. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. But again, CABA. We're heading into the open in 3 minutes. CABA. It's well above on everything. Oh, it's going to already cross that upper. Looks like it want to set another high at that 561. I think we're going to see a positive reaction to the open share price here on this thing. Active buy. Currently, the active sale is slightly outweighing that active buy, but not by much. So, because this might deserve an alert here today, let's put a 5% on this. News, no major news, so yeah, we should see a slight positive reaction at open, but I do think we're going to see the high hit pretty soon and then retrace from there. I think we're going to open up pretty good in the market here today and drop from there. Going to be looking for some SPY options. HOVR entry price today. Got you, Haas. Oh, they got a drug screening? Oh. 95 likes away, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button. And give you my SMCI thoughts here in a second, Glenn. Just want to check out ACHR at the open. I really think they be listening to my price targets, man. My $11 price target. ACHR is now Express News is price target. Yeah, ACHR isn't reacting well. HOVR, we're going to check out HOVR here in a second, as well as SMCI. PDYN, positive reaction at the open. See live chat, we got HOVR. Should be breaking at 90 cents here. Yeah, but I'm feeling pretty bullish on HOVR here today. HOVR should actually cross. Let me see. We may challenge $1 here today, guys, in HOVR. We got KULR here. Positive move as well. I think our price target for the KULR. Let's go to this Discord really quickly so I can give you guys the accurate price target for KULR, which is currently at 185 plus. CAPA, positive reaction. 516 should be the break here. How many we got? Early chat popping, guys. You are 94 likes away from opening up that live chat. If you haven't already, please do a viewer a favor and smash that like button as well. But CABA looking pretty damn good on the day. LX here is popping. I think I got a new price target for LX. I'm not fucking sure. Let's see. Finally broke 5. That was okay. Wait for reply. Okay, PDYN. And we should be seeing markets opened up pretty high here today. Let's see if we can find us a open play for today. ACHR still a buy. I closed on Friday. We'll talk about it. I'll hold off, I tell you that. I will buy into the reversal, not now, because this thing can continue to drop. It's falling like a anvil right now. The dip can get better, basically, for a better swing opportunity. Yeah, price target for LX here on the day 590 plus. PDYN is still safe green. Is this a compliance or nah? It's not. Gap up on RGTI looks good. Anybody holding RGTI? Let me know in the live chat. All right. Whoa, huge candle wipeout. Check out Palantir here really quickly. I know it's a lot of Palantir shareholders currently watching the channel. I consider this the best stock right now to buy under the Trump administration for many reasons, guys. And those reasons are going to come more obvious as time goes by, but SNTI still on the move, guys. I think this should be crossing $8 here, $7.90 for sure. But if you haven't already, again, smash that like button, guys. We're trying to get this thing to 200 likes so we can open up the live chat for everyone. Teresa says she's holding RGTI. I know it's a lot of you guys want to throw a few tickers at me to analyze here today. So don't forget, KULR has to break that mid. If it does here on the 1 minute, we should be clear to the 5 at 174. So all right, we can use our 5 minute now. SGPX. This might be making its next leg up. This might be on its next leg up, guys. PRZO still pushing, huh? Might cross 220 here throughout the trading day, man. Anyone else holding PRZO? Sorry about that. 192 people currently watching, guys. We're just 90 likes away from opening up that live chat. So if you have a question to ask me, all you have to do is smash that like button. Still holding it. Okay, Joby, I think I didn't look at that one here today yet, but let's do it. Major retracement. It seems as though that all the aviation here is dropping today from its huge rally last week. Just a sector correction, if you ask me. Just a sector correction. Anyone else holding JOBI, I would hold off on considering buying the dip at this price because it seems as though that things may get a little bit worse here before the day clears. All right, let's see, ANF, we got, let's see, UMAC here, Universal Machines. It might be dropping back towards that 2133. Check those bid sizes. Above 5%. So with that, every 5% it moves in a 3-minute interval. We should get an alert here, but it looks like this thing may just halt it. How fast the bids is coming in a little bit fast here. Yep, halt. Guys, I want to know now, halt to the upside or down? What we thinking? Is it going to unhalt to the up or downside? Guys, don't forget to smash that like button. How far are we out? It's 85 likes away. Should be easy, right? QUBT. We're going to check that out here in a minute, Avery. Don't go anywhere. Do not go anywhere. AMC Mike. What we doing on AMC? Let's see. It's been in that upper since the 20th. I see continuation here. We should see a correction back towards that 511. But like what I see here currently right now in AMC. Looks like we may be headed towards those $5.50 levels before Wednesday. In AMC, let's see here. Activity starting to slow down here, but I think we should see a pickup in volume here in comparison for the last 3 days of trading. So we want to see that pattern change because AMC's volume has gotten lower and lower by the day these last 3 days of trading. OPTT though may have seen this high here on the pre-market. 81 cents. Anyone holding this thing, let me know in the live chat. We got QUBT here. Yeah, this isn't too much concern for me. I think we're just seeing a correction here. Have to take into consideration having broken range of trade on since Wednesday. So we're still in it with a higher low than yesterday, which is a great sign in a higher high. So not too concerned about the retracement, slight retracement we're currently undergoing here in QUBT at all. I think we're going to see a bullish day for sure here tomorrow. Just a sector correction, guys. That's it. We're seeing the market turn to the downside altogether right now, so nothing to panic about. Nothing to panic about. GME, got you, Mike. Got you. We got 204 people watching currently, guys, and we only need 200 likes to open up that live chat for everyone. The numbers aren't adding up, right? Okay, we got yeah, the market's turning. Your PRZO is head towards that 220, man. It unhalted. Okay, it unhalted to the upside. No, this wasn't. Play is UMAC. Is our halted play. 2 stack short position days. Yeah, this thing finna rep. This thing is about to rip, guys. If you're currently holding UMAC, let me know in the live chat below. Because honestly, you're about to count the money. All right. Everyone. right, I had to send that out. KULR, it's still hasn't broke that 170 high yet on the day. I think once we cross that, we should be heading back towards that 180 here. But we're struggling. Huge wall right now. Huge wall right now. We were getting pretty darn close to opening up that live chat. You guys are starting to smash that like button a little bit faster than expected. There must be a few questions you guys have to ask me. Well, I'm here, guys. I'm here. Not going anywhere. We got ARQQ. Where the hell this thing just come from? Oh, it's doing hold action. Circuit breaker. Circuit breaker after circuit breaker, huh? We keep our eyes out on this. Let's put a bail on here. We want to get an alert every 10% in the 3-minute interval. But ARQQ currently has, let's check those stats, man. 400 million in market cap with a share float of 4.85 million. Yeah, this thing should move pretty darn quickly. Either way, up or to the downside, just off that low share float. Again, share float is the amount of shares tradable on a given day. So when it's not that many shares to go around, the buying and selling have a much greater effect on the share price. That's why you tend to see a short-term turnaround in stocks after a reverse stock split, because they basically goes from 100 million shares of available trade to now 1 million. All right, so again, those low share flow stocks, basically I look at the share flow as the accelerator. How fast should this thing move up or down? But SNTI, I think this thing is going to retrace here from that peak today. I think we've seen the best it's going to give. But ARQQ, with that low share float, I'm very interested. If this thing retraces, it's going to retrace quickly. 4.85 million. Sheesh. This thing also has a earnings here. 12.5 doesn't say pre or post, so that thing may come out throughout the trading day. Let's see, 100 shares of RGTI at $2. Would you sell? Let's check it out. All right, then. You in at $2, huh? Dude. Should have looked. Hell yeah, get up out of there, man. It's always another trade. RGTI isn't going to be the trade, so I don't think it's going to make you rich. So, yeah, get up out of there, man. Get up out of there. Take your gains. Take the money off the table. It's always another trade to make. This isn't the make or break trade. So, well, it can break you if you stick around too long. All right, but, yeah, just take the money off the table. Find another play. You're well up. If it continues to run, don't kick yourself. All right, you'll be all right. We got 205 people watching. It's a lot that we had in quite some time, guys. So again, shout out to those that did come out to the live stream. We're about to check out ACHR here really quickly, but yeah, guys, I just wanted to inform everybody during this ACHR run what could actually happen, what the company may be looking to do pretty soon. Like, this is the type of price action that we're currently seeing right here that will cause a company to initiate their offering, due to the fact that, I was about to say, the way that this shit is reacting, you would think that they actually did call the offering. But yeah, this is the type of momentum that will force the company to actually do it, because they feel as though that, yeah, it's over with, let's call it now. But yeah, man, just be aware of that, because they do need cash on hand, and I don't think ACHR is the type of company to go get a cash loan from another company and pay them yearly. Instead, I feel as though that ACHR is the type of company that is going to make retail investors and/or any existing shareholders foot that bill. It's not like they're making pencils or pens, right? They're making flying vehicles. In order for that to become profitable, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to have to become open to the average person. Basically, it's going to have to be as like Uber. You're going to have hundreds of thousands of those things flying people around for that thing to become profitable. And it's going to cost a lot of money to produce those amount of vehicles. And it's just like airlines, guys. If you don't remember when the airplane became commercial for people to ride, it didn't become profitable for years until it became available to the average American. This isn't going to be available to the average American anytime soon. So do not expect for a company like this or any company in this industry to return a profit any fucking time soon, guys. So please do not think that this is a long-term investment at any given point, because it's not. It's making for a great trade. That's it. That's all. Just had to school you guys on that a little bit. But again, we got 70 likes away before we open that live chat, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget it. I know it's a lot of people out there like, oh, long-term investment. I'm long on JOBY and all that. Yeah, the best investors know when to invest, guys. It's not about being the first one. It's about knowing when to. Companies like this, ACHR, is getting backdoored as we speak by a company called Stellantis. I feel like Stellantis is working a backdoor to try to hostile take over ACHR. Honestly, and Stellantis probably does have the cash runway to keep this thing moving. So yeah, that'd be interesting if Stellantis actually took over operations completely, but who knows? And since we got SOPA, MOBX have been sticking around for quite some time here. Long on Uber. Yeah. Autonomous vehicles is going to have to be as common as Uber in order for it to be profitable. So being long on a thing like that is like being long when EV first started. Yeah, market's shifting to the downside, guys. Still holding to the down here overall. Let me see the 15 here really quickly. High range U.S. Department of Labor. It says 228 on the current viewers, guys. If you're new to the live stream, just to give you a heads up, the live chat will open the moment this thing gets to 200 likes. We're currently sitting here at 138. So don't forget to smash it so we can open that thing up. But right now, the U.S. Department of Labor Safety Health Administration expands its deployment of book smart glasses. Oh, so these guys make smart glasses, huh? For government, for the U.S. Department of Labor. Yeah, this should be retracing here pretty soon. Back towards those $2.70 levels. We're going to pass on that. Looks like the NASDAQ has just flipped. So let's find us something in composite here really quickly. Again, any other stocks you guys want me to? End of the week, price target for ACHR. I think we're going to see a bounce here pretty soon, just off the likelihood of short cover. Remember, short positions taken here yesterday is in a prime position to be returned for a profit. Now, with that being said, today's SSR fall short sale restriction. I think once we fall SSR, that very moment, we should start to see a slight turnaround in ACHR. Slight turnaround. I don't know if that turnaround may be enough to actually spark a trading day rally, but let's see, did we fall SSR yet? Yep, we're short sale restricted for sure, which means we failed 10% lower than the previous close. And now short positions only can be taken on the uptick. So, well, they only can be filled on the uptick, should I say. Long on Uber. Okay. ACHR. And I think we got more room to drop. I think we're going to fall back towards those $7.40 levels before we actually see some type of gradual gain back towards other side. PRZ. Oh, man. TMC. Let's check out the metals company here. Not liking what I see there either. Right now, we're looking at SMCI is doing a lot of volatile movement here. Every morning. And then it cools down after lunch. But SMCI got a $40 price target on this thing here before the end of the week. I think we're going to visit those briefly. Just checking the live chat. Halt to the downside. Yikes. Sheesh. What's that all about? Sorry about that. Could you look at SoFi? Thanks using your 10% on ACHR. Trust me, it should work for you, Haas. Check that out. It should work for you. Let's check out SoFi. As long as this thing doesn't drop below that 16th, no. As long as it doesn't drop below that 1557, you should be fine here. Because if it does, it's more than likely going to be headed back towards those mid $14 levels here. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Yeah. Yeah, just keep your eyes out on that sell trap here for SOFI. Overall, I'm pretty bullish on it midterm. But again, I think we're seeing a market reaction here in SOFI. And she just don't stop, right? If you're currently holding SNTI, let me know in the live chat, guys. Again, we're almost close to opening that live chat. We're just 60 likes away. Again, guys, all we need is 200 likes to open that live chat for everyone. Let me see here. Anytime, guys. Did we just? No, we didn't. And we're about to halt again. Yet again in SNTI. Yep, that's the halt. Halt she blows there, right? But no, she didn't halt. It was so many bids moving in. So many bids was moving in, man. I think froze a little bit. HOVR, please. Entry point. Any chance of short cover wave? HOVA. It all depends, man. Like those short positions taken here yesterday may be in a position to actually may start covering because they're in a position for profit. They may hold longer because they feel as though that it's going to drop even more. It's just like the opposite of being long, man. But it's hard to give that analysis when we haven't gotten the short sale data just yet. We get that around after the close, after market close, we get that data. But right now we're seeing that this entire industry, man. Let's see, aerospace and well, that's going to show aerospace and defense, but aerospace and defense has 48 down. This includes stocks like Palantir as well, but aerospace stocks, 48 of those are down, man. So no panic, no panic, no panic. All right. We're about to be approaching 200 likes, guys. We're basically 56 likes away. I know you guys gonna flood that live chat once it's open. Markets, oh my God. Be looking for some spot. I can't wait to put those spot calls out there. I haven't seen a shift just yet for that. Right, I had to send that message out. MVST. Let's check that out here really quickly. I had a reverse stock split, huh? Market's still dropping here. PRZO. Yeah, this should be on KULR starting to move again. Let's see. KB. ZI. Wolf, I got you. About to check out Wolf here really quickly. Guys, if you haven't, don't forget, we will be going live again on Friday. Hope to see you guys there. Wolf. Yeah, I think this thing may be headed towards those 465 levels here today, man. If it can cross that, things can get very bullish for sure. Post-market earnings here in 3 days. I think we're going to see a slight market beat. ACHR, let's buy. Don't forget to join our Discord as well, guys. Link is in the description of the video. It's down to 7.3. Yeah, I wouldn't wait off on it. I would hold off on it, man. I wonder why it's doing this. Is it? What the fuck? Yeah, no reason why. We even got a price target raise here today by Express News and still retrace U.S. stocks edge. Yesterday's short activity was pretty damn high those last 2 days. All right, we're gonna look at QSI. Got you, Alfred. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. 50 likes away from opening it. From opening the live chat. Just 50 likes away. Quantum. I keep my eyes on QSI at $1. Let me go back. You keep your eyes at that $1.08 mark. That's where I would be a seller. That's where I would basically cut ties at $1.08. But other than that, it's looking pretty fine for to continue this bottom consolidation that it's in. We got QSI. Shout out to Alfred again for dropping that question. Again, guys, we're only 45 likes away now. 45. to achieve our open live chat goal here. I'm gonna make me another cup of coffee here in a second, so let's see here. ARQQ. It just looks like it's trying to make a slight turn here. Slight turn, nothing major just yet. The Dow is just fucked today, right? But wow. Things started to quiet down here for E. Market, let's see here. ARQQ. Just trying to do a move. BTBT here right now. Looks like it's ready. Mid cross on the 5. Cross on 15, okay. This thing is bullish right now, guys. I think with this, maybe seeing $5 here. Today. $5 plus price target on BTBT. I think we might see a rally leading over into tomorrow as well. So swing trade this thing. Let's get that one out there. $460. SNTI just doesn't want to stop, not even a little bit. Again, where are we at? Approaching only 40 likes till that live chat comes open. I just can't wait to see what you guys got to ask me. Another halt. All right, guys, I'm about to set this here for about 5 minutes. About to make me a cup of coffee. Let's see if I can return with. It's not even going to take 5 minutes. It's really going to take about 30 seconds, maybe. No, it's not going to be that quick, but less than 3 minutes. Right, I am back, and thought we were gonna see about $19 on that thing when I got back. Well, to my surprise, we're still in the ballpark, and we fell short. We just 38 likes away, the closest we've been all day, but I thought you guys was gonna pull a rabbit out the hat and have 200 likes for me, but guess what? We're still here, and we're just, ooh, did I just, okay. UMAC still pushing after its slight retracement. Rocket Labs, what is it doing? Nothing. Trying to make it, not even in its recovery. Let's see. PRZO still creeping. Zeta still pushing, right? Zeta, I think we called this. I don't know. I know we called it. I'm just trying to give you guys an actual accurate date. I think it was Friday. I remember typing the word ZETA. Zeta. Price target 22 plus swing, high risk trade. Yeah, I just take the money off the table on that. No need for a new price target. Let's see. KULR is still hanging around, but KULR, yeah, it's still SCRV. Anybody holding SERV, which is one of NVIDIA's holdings? 65 likes, 35 away. Again, guys, we're just 35 likes away from opening the live chat for everyone to communicate, share ideas, engage with one another, and also ask me questions on tickers to analysis, to give you guys analysis on in live trading. So again, don't forget about that. And DXYZ is starting to move, huh? DXYZ. Yeah, like I said, man, I'm not concerned about it. I'm not like that. I feel really confident in DXYZ. Let's just say that $70 price target here for the end of the year. UMAC halted up again, Nick. What, we halted up on UMAC? Okay. Shout out to Nick for having his eyes in the sky on these plays. Yep, we finally got a haul up, huh? Slight haul up. We need it to stick, though. It's not sticking like snow in November, guys. Only my Midwesterns would understand that. The KULR is starting to get up, get on up, get up. But it's struggling at that $1.71. If it breaks that $1.71, guys, whoever's still holding is going to be a happy camper. We're just 30 likes away from opening up that live chat. But we like this KULR here, though. We're waiting for this thing to actually break that $1.71. Once it does, though, guys, you could be headed towards that $1.90 pretty darn quickly, actually breaking that pre-market high shortly after. So that's all I'm waiting for on that to actually take place. Dow is just looking fucked. Yeah, it's just looking fucking fucked. We need that to correct here so we can... I think this may be one over. This may continue to run here, and it's looking as though that with the volume here, 2.73 million, yeah, it may be being overlooked here. This may find itself in a multi-day running situation from a short cover taking place here today, which is capital trend point to massive block orders in favor of that inflow. So I'm calling, yeah, this the type of news that should shake a multi-day run here for VUZI, even though there has been already on a multi-day running situation. Expect for that to continue. Shout out to the 200 people that's currently watching. Guess what, guys? It's 201 people watching, 172 likes, and we need 200 likes in order to open this live chat. The numbers aren't adding up, guys. Not even close. So, well, it's pretty darn close. But yeah, it's 30 people out there that haven't smashed that like button yet. Don't forget to do it. So the guy right now, KULR, that's ACHR. It's trying to turn around right now. LX is borderline charge point. Nope. Right now, the only thing that's really moving is ACHR and ACHR. Yeah, ACHR starting to get a lot of bids though. It's short sale restricted right now. So far, capital trend massive 12 million net outflow in favorment, and it's not even 9:30 yet. Yeah, guys. Yeah, this is gonna see a fat bounce. So you're gonna see a big bounce. We're about 20 likes away, guys. I got 179 likes. 20 likes away from opening up that live chat. And for those that have been here since the beginning of this live stream, guys, I know you got a lot to ask me here, so let's get to it, guys. Let's get to it. It's almost, we've been streaming for over an hour and 15 minutes. This thing should have been open, right? But, and there she blows again. About to challenge that mid on that 1 minute chart. It did, but bounced up. Hold off on buying it just yet, guys. For those that are just looking to average down, buy the dip, or just get in. Hold off for now. Hold off for now. Something like that, which is solely running off of retail power, I wouldn't buy in until the reversal is obvious. So let's just hold off on that. MLGO, what's going on here today? Anybody holding MLGO? UMAC 20. $0.22 plus on MLGO, a 22 cent plus price target on that. Let's do some spot calls here. Okay, 603. Trying to find us calls. SPY expiration for today, 605s. Oh, it's 604s. Everyone. Oops. No. Everyone. Spot calls. Alright. Just alerted our spot calls over in the Discord. Now we need, see if we can find a swing trade here. Any 19 likes away, guys, from opening up that live chat. Just 19 likes away. OTL, okay. Got that alert out. KULR, man, it just broke that 170. I mean that $1.71. So, yeah, we should be headed towards the promised land now. What's going on? Still a buy. It's at 403. What was that? 843 days ago. I'll hold off on that, Haas. I'll hold off on that one. Again, man, we are only 18 likes away from opening up that live chat, guys. If you haven't already, smash the like button so we can open the live chat up for everyone to talk, engage with one another, and ask me questions on any ticker that you guys need me to. So. Yeah, this thing should run here pretty nicely. Let's see. KULR is still moving volatile right now. KULR is still coming up on the scale there. All right, guys, ACHR, what level it can fall down to? I think we already broke my expectations on the retracement. Let's see here. Yeah, man, this thing stands a very great chance to cross those sub $7 levels here before the day is over with. Yeah. I think it could fall sub 7. But since we got pretty close, guys, I'm about to open up the live chat here really quickly, because we're about to cut the live stream here in about 15 minutes. So we tried our best to get it to the 200. All right, guys. It is now open. Yo, Dominic, what's going on? SMCI from Josh. Just reading the live chat here, guys. PRZO, we're gonna take a brief look at that again. ACHR, Lululemon, we got QMCO, QBT, ENPH, KULR, HOVR, IVK, PRZO. All right, let's take a dive, deep one. All right, let me see. First on the list. All right, just so you guys won't kill me, we gotta stop it on SYM. Quick thoughts on SYM, just because that was a recent play. We're gonna talk about it. Looks like our SPY calls is starting to turn up though. SYM, like I told y'all, when SYM dropped, it's a good company. They just messed up on their financial reporting. Everyone makes mistakes, right? So that retracement, guys, was a great opportunity for anyone that was looking to get in on the long side of things. Yeah, SMCI, and I mean SYM. Sorry about that. But I'm looking for this thing to actually cross those $31 levels here this week in SYM, man. So keep your eyes out on that. Feeling very bullish on the recovery here for this stock. Next, OPTT. We're gonna check that out here really quickly. Again, guys, if you're new to the live stream, smash that like button, even though that the live chat is open. As bad as I wanted to clip it, still gotta open it up for you guys for coming out. So OPTT looks like it's on retracement for sure for the day. Could be headed back towards those 59-cent levels. If it does break those 59-cent levels, then this thing is going to return back towards those 54-cent levels. So keep your eyes out on that break level here for OPTT. It's looking bearish for the trading day. Next, thoughts on HVRO. HOVR. I don't know why I said O, but we saw an industry correction here today, well, this morning. thoughts on this one though. Just like the rest of them, tomorrow's going to give us a better insight on where the industry is headed to. I think since we just seen a very bullish week last week for this industry, we're just going through a slight correction here, guys. So don't panic, please don't. Just take advantage of today's prices. DBI, KULR. Well, as far as KULR goes, challenged that $1.71, broke it slightly. Now we're challenging that mid. Still bullish on this thing. I do feel as though that it stands a very great chance to cross that pre-market high, that $1.96. If it doesn't today, I do think KULR is a safe swing to hold overnight. Safe overnight hold, yeah, safe overnight hold. Correction take a few more days. I don't think it'll take a few more days because we're seeing a major correction. At the longest tomorrow, we should start seeing the recovery midday, the longest. All right, Joby. Check out Joby here. As well. Sector correction. That's it. That's all. VCIG. Sector correction. Joby should be headed back towards sub 750s. We should be headed back towards sub 750s. QMCO. Quantum computing as well, cracking the code. Quantum computing, boom. Okay. Yeah, that's a huge dip. QMCO on the bad side of things may be headed back towards those $10 levels, mid $10 levels, between $11 and $10, but I don't see that actually happening. I do feel as though that QMCO should see its turnaround here as early as tomorrow as well, man, back towards those $19 levels here by the end of the week. Not worried about quantum computing at all. This industry is promising and has a lot of potential. Goes hand in hand with AI. So don't panic. Take advantage of today's prices. Again, MSTR price by the end of the month. Got you, JJ. Dynamite. MSTR is what we're looking for. Bottom consolidation here. Range on Tuesday. No, that's Wednesday. Too low. So, yeah, man. MSTR, MicroStrategy. I think we're going to find ourselves trading in between the range of 417 and as low as 372. I think we're going to stay in that range here for the remainder of December. I don't see MSTR breaking out of that just yet. OKLO was a recent nuclear darling. Will it again in the next couple of months? I honestly think OKLO. Let's go to it. I don't see any concern here on the price action at all. Just a cool down. As you know, this thing was on major strides here. Now we're seeing a lot of back and forth trading. I do think the industry is going to boom here for sure 2025 under the Trump administration. So yeah. I'm going to take a brief look at Mara. It says the price, HOVR price by the end of the month. Let's look at it here. Stream keeps cutting out. All right. Is Joby still in play for this week? We got to see what tomorrow brings, man. Let's see how far it can drop here today. Going live. Do you think KULR can pull back to 70 cents this week? SYM tanked. Weeklies. BEEM long. Can it recover? Nah, I don't think it's gonna recover. Damn. ACHR outlook for the week. ACHR, we're looking for a short cover to take place by midweek, by Wednesday. No short positions taken, man. It's in a great position for profit on return. So they should be doing it pretty soon. But KULR, man, holding on to it. I think he's gonna make a safe swing for tomorrow, man. So take that into consideration. DXYZ as well, man. You don't want to miss that play, guys. Let's check out the SPY here really quickly. Starting to creep up. It's starting to creep up. And the money calls at that 603. Currently sits here at 86 cents. Yeah, so we had up over 100% on that call. So again, guys, we're gonna be ending the stream here. Hopefully Monday we can open up that live chat much sooner for the entire chat so we can chat it up. But again, be looking out for the updates on stocks like ACHR, HOVR, and many others that we spoke about here in today's live stream, like SOUN, SYM, Mara, Joby, you name it, guys. Be looking out for those updates, and may the game